Hi class, welcome to Academic Planning. My name is Julie Martinez and I'm going to be your instructor for the next 8 weeks. My goal is to give you an overview of the course and give you a short bio of myself. In addition to creating an academic plan for the semester, you're also going to be learning about time management and what your time zappers might be, note-taking and how to take good solid notes, setting goals and how to implement them, and also college resources here on campus and college policies and procedures. In my past life, prior to being a counselor, I have been in higher ed for over 20 years. I was a job developer at Cal Poly Pomona, and then I became an admissions counselor at a private liberal arts college, Claremont McKenna, and recruited underrepresented transfer students to the college. In addition, I was an outreach counselor at UC Riverside, and again was instrumental in recruiting underrepresented students from both high schools and community colleges. And then finally I decided to work in a four-year institution and became a fieldwork coordinator where I develop internships for the Human Services Department. I help students with their internships, and I also act as liaison with the faculty. For fun, I love music. I grew up in the 70s, so I love classic rock. I also am a hobbyist musician. I play the guitar. I've been to Hawaii several times, so I learned how to play the ukulele. I can even sing some Hawaiian songs. So that's what I like to do on my spare time. Keeps me busy. Feel free to contact me throughout the semester for any reason. You can call me via the phone, or you can reach me through Canvas or my personal email. I'm looking forward to working with you this semester to help you with your academic goals, and let's do this together. It was nice meeting you.